you so much. Refrain from running and walking on the center ground. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Next is morning again. Let us welcome the Sangguniang Bayan. Everyone is welcome. And may take a pleasure in from our Municipal Planning and Development Office.
We are also from the office of the municipal headed by OIC Janine.
Let us welcome from the office of the Municipal Agriculture, headed by Engineer Enrique Atelba.
And of course, we have the office of the municipal registry headed by Ma'am Bernarda Alamao.
For the Provincial Statistics Office, welcome everyone.
And we have also the municipal engineering office headed by Engineer John Cole.
From the Municipal Treasury Office, let us welcome the financiers, headed by the OIC Ms. Marites Cabatan.
And of course, to recap, the office of the municipal health office headed by Dr. Bertie Ayala.
Okay, so let us again salute from the Bureau of Fire Protection, headed by Fire Officer Tito Mendoza.
And from the office of the HWP headed by Ms. Janine Bayaw. To be followed by the delegates of the senior citizens headed by the also President Sir Abiala.
From the Department of Social Welfare and Development, headed by the Social Officer, Ms. Julie Bayaw.
Of course, we have the Federation of Women Child Development Workers, Bago Wow.
Corporation, ang Pusungan Cluster. Welcome everyone.
Let's also welcome visitors from the Philippine Statistics Authority headed by Chief Imelda Cuyakawan.
Let us see the cheers of Barangay Bagud, headed by their barangay captain, Nito Pacos.
Kumila, good morning.
Morning.
Let us also see the pleasant smiles of Barangay Dalipay. Leading on the march is their Barangay Kagawad. Barangay Kagawad and Barangay personnel.
Approaching to the grandstand are the delegates from Gamba, headed by their barangay captain, Honorable Virgilio Aquino.
Next in line, let us welcome the Labadal Women's Association of the Bida Gambang Bakol Beken. Let's have a round of applause.
Approaching to the grandstand are the delegates from Barangay Kayapan, headed by Honorable Mateo Lapawan.
Thank you.
Malang GoPro.
Let us now welcome the friendly Barangay Poblacion. By their Barangay Captain, Osas B. Mateo Jr.
And of course, being here with his barangay health workers and barangay nutrition scholars. Again, a round of applause to Barangay Sinapan, headed by Honorable
Please present a smile once again from Department of Education back on the street. Let us all welcome and usher in the Pusungan National High School batch 1989, headed by Domingo Sario, the PCP